The Premiere projector that was launched by Samsung has officially gone on sale in the UK. So if you're in the UK and you actually want to get this, you can now buy this. It's now available. You know, it's the first projector to come with HDR10 plus support. HDR10 plus support is somewhat of a competitor to Dolby Vision, and you will get it in the models that they are launching. So the models that they have is the LS9T and the LS7T. Actually, LSP9T, LSP7T. So the LSP9T has around 2800 lumens of brightness. It has even a very good speaker built into it, which is around 40 watts and can present around 4.2 surround sound system. It's very, very powerful, at least for what you're getting. Is a short throw projector, so you can keep it near your screen or your wall to get 100 or 120 inch image, which I think looks quite nice. The projector, like I said, the selling point is the fact that it's coming with HDR10 plus support, and not only that, it's even a laser projector, so longevity for it is quite high. You would get a very long lasting projector when you get this. It looks quite unique in its own right. You know, I reported about this projector a few months ago, and since then it's really gathered a lot of attention, and not only on my channel but on many other channels that have covered the projector. It's selling very well. It's doing really well. So right now, if you are interested in getting it in the UK, just know that it's available. The LSP7T is a smaller variant. It's just coming with a 30 watts inbuilt speaker and a 2.2 channel setup in it for this standard. It's even coming with inbuilt apps like Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV is also coming with it. It has 3 HDMI inputs, 1 USB input. It's also very portable, so it's quite easy to move. The price in the UK is the LSP9T. It's going to be priced at £7,000, while the LSP7T will be priced at £4,000. So just know that you can now have it in the UK. It's no longer too difficult to get it. So that's the news right now. Please like our content, subscribe, follow us on our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys next time.